There are a few uses for genetic engineering in medicine. This includes the use of bacteria to produce useful substances such as insulin, for example. So we can have many modified bacteria that all produce insulin. This insulin can then be collected for patients with diabetes. Are there any other potential uses of genetic engineering in medicine? Modern medical research is exploring the possibility of genetic modification to overcome some inherited disorders. For example, the gene which causes a disorder like cystic fibrosis, shown in blue on this diagram, would be replaced with a healthy gene. This is a controversial issue and is illegal in most countries, including the UK. One reason is that it changes the identity of this person. It also assumes that some lives are less worth living. These 2 points help to explain why genetic modification is so controversial.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy to follow videos and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Biology course. See you there!